Welcome to mymaths.in. Now we are going to learn the topic multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, writing left to right and answer in one line. So here the patterns are there. So we have to just remember the patterns here. Let us the first number is a 3-digit number and next number is a 2-digit number. So there are 4 parts will be there in the answer. The first part multiplication looks like this, and second part as shown in the picture, third part and fourth part. So let us see how to do these sums. Let us take the example 352 times 42. So here the leftmost part we had observed that it is 3 times 4 as 12. So retaining 1 we pass 2 as 20. So for the next calculation it is 20. The pass 20 is there. With that we add 3 times 2, that is 6, and then 5 times 4. So 20 plus 6, 26, plus 5 4s 20, 26 plus 20 as 46. So in 46 we retain 4 and pass 6 as 60. So passing 60 is there. So we retain 60, and then we will see for the next multiplication, that is 5 times 2, 10, 60 plus 10, 70, and 4 2s are 8. 70 plus 8, 78. And here we have to observe that the next part should not be more than 20 because 80 is passing. So we have to observe that the next digit should not be more than 20. So it should not cross 100. So next digit we are getting only 4. So we pass it 7, and then we write 7 in the third part and pass 8 as 80 to the last part. 80 is already there, and 2 times 2 is 4. 80 plus 4 as 84. So the final answer is 14784. Let us take one more example, whereas 352 times 32. Here the answer is 11264. Let us see how to get this. So first multiplication is 3 times 3, 9. So by observing that when we are 9 as 09 and passing writing 0 and passing 9 as 90, we observe that next multiplication we have 5 into 3, so which is more than 10. So the 99 is written as 10 minus 1. Retaining 1 we pass minus 1 as minus 10. 9 is equal to 10 minus 1, that is 1 and minus 1. So tens place 1 will be retained and units place 1 will move on to the next part as minus 1 as minus 10. Going to the next multiplication, minus 10 is passing, minus 10 plus 6, that is minus 4, minus 4 plus 5 3 is 15, minus 4 plus 15 is 11. So out of that 11 we write 1 and pass that units place 1 as 10. So from the previous one 10 is passed, and in this part 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 6, 26. So writing 2 and pass 6 as 60 to the next part. 60 plus 2 times 2 as 4, 60 plus 4 as 64. So the final answer is 11264. Thank you.